Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a new project catalog on the Upwork. So guys, as we see on the Fiverr we create gigs, but on Upwork here you can see project catalog. So here we can create services. Just I want to create the first catalog, and here you can see create a project. Just click here. Then here I can add a title. For example, you will get e-commerce store website on WordPress or Shopify platform. So just I can remove the platform word. Then here I can select the category. So I think this one. Then scroll down. So here I can select the platform. For example, Wix. I think I need to select WooCommerce. Then here you can see the plugins. I can select this one: payment, shipping, inventory, FAQ. Then I think analytics, gallery, membership. So just I can select maximum. Alright, after that your tags are optional. So let me click here, save and continue. Then here you can see the packages. Just I want to select with the one package, all in one package, one e-commerce website, delivery days 2 days. Then let me select 3 VNs, unlimited, number of pages 5, number of products 20, plugins 10, and here I can select this, and the price at least 150. After that save and continue. The next step is we need to select the images. So for now I can select some image. So let me ask ChatGPT to create a new image. Generate image for e-commerce website services. So guys, here you can see how fast ChatGPT can create a professional image for you. So let me download, and after that here you can see it is in WebP format. Just I can convert it to the JPG. So then I can select the image, this one, then convert to JPG, and after that download the converted image. So